Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on now. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm going to just pronounce it the way it goes. Cvviz. That's right. It helps you hire top candidates faster with AI recruiting software. It's a modern AI recruiting software that automates the candidate sourcing, It matches the right candidates to the right jobs, gives insight into your hiring process, and improves the quality of hire. You can schedule a demo or start a free trial today. It's used by over 500 plus companies from startup to large enterprises. So let's see if all this said is actually true. Now, Cvviz is an AI-powered recruitment software and applicant tracking system (ATS) designed to streamline and automate the hiring process. Its core purpose is to help companies find and hire suitable candidates more quickly and efficiently, leveraging artificial intelligence, particularly for tasks like resume screening and candidate matching. The key features or aspects are, let's have the pros: AI-powered screening and matching, automation, centralized platform, candidate sourcing, and ease of use. Now, when it comes to the con, limited ATS features in some plans, potential for initial learning curve, and candidate experience. Some feedback suggests the candidate experience could be improved, for example, by adding a status page for applicants. In essence, Cvviz is a strong option for companies looking to leverage AI to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their candidate screening and matching process, especially those dealing with a high volume of applications or needing to quickly identify suitable candidates from their database. It can function as a standalone ATS, or it can integrate with existing systems to add an intelligent layer to recruitment workflows. So that is it. It has a lot of media mentions, you can see. Customers love them. And you want to experience the power of AI in recruitment, start with Cvviz today.